Hi everyone, I'm Marg Brennan. I'm on the secondary math team, and I just want to quickly show you how to, in online scoring, enter a response for a student when you have a question that has both extended text and then a multiple choice kind of question. And I'm going to do this in demo mode so you can't see the student names that are associated with the responses. So if I go to tests and online scoring, I'm going to show you the Math 8 Quarter 2 progress check. All right, so it's these last two questions here that have both an extended text type of question here that is scored with the rubric and also a multiple choice kind of a question. And so if a student picks an answer for this number 10, the multiple choice, whether they got it right or wrong would be included in the total score that you see on the left-hand side. And now I know when you have a rubric scored item, you can just use the drop-down menu on this left side to score the item. When there's a multiple choice question included, it's not on the left side in that drop-down item. So if a student opts to answer the multiple choice question just on their written test, you would need to select the answer that they picked over here on the right-hand side, and then it would be included in the total score. And that's really it. You can see in this last question, it looks a little bit different. There's a drawing interaction, but then below it there's a multiple choice. So if a student didn't choose the correct response here, you can see over on the left side the 3 is there because they had gotten that question right, and I'm guessing had done the graph on their written test. But in the pull down menu here, you will only see up to 2 points, and that's only for the rubric scored item. So that's pretty much it. Those are really the only instances that you need to interact with the right side of the screen and not just the left for those types of questions.